Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Yahoo Mail for stronger account security. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To register with Yahoo Mail for stronger account security, begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Yahoo Mail and hit enter. Click on the first link that appears, directing you to the Yahoo Mail homepage. On the homepage, locate and click on the Sign Up button. You will be redirected to the registration form. Enter your first name and last name in the designated fields. Next, choose your desired Yahoo Mail address. Select a strong password that is at least 8 characters long. In the password field, include a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters for enhanced security. Click on the Continue button to proceed. Now, provide your mobile phone number for account verification. This number will also be used for account recovery if needed. Ensure that you enter the country code correctly. Click Continue to receive a verification code via SMS. Once you receive the code, enter it in the provided field. Next, fill in your birth date to verify your identity. Select your gender if you'd like, then click Continue. Review the information you've entered to ensure accuracy. If everything looks good, click on the Create Account button. You may be prompted to set up additional security measures. Consider enabling two-step verification for further protection. Follow the prompts to link any additional security methods provided. Explore Yahoo Mail settings to customize your privacy preferences. Finally, familiarize yourself with your new inbox and its features. You are now registered with Yahoo Mail, equipped with stronger account security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.